Hello viewers. My name is Saad, and in this video I will be telling you people about real-life digital marketing success story. If you are learning at least 1% from my videos, please I request to subscribe my channel and share with others. Let's start. The first topic is on business model of Netflix. Netflix is a paid subscription-based platform. It is an online streaming media service that provides customers easy access to their favorite shows and movies on as many devices as they want. Its revenue model has produced a market capitalization of $150 billion. It is also the world's largest video selling platform. In this case study, we shall study in depth the business model of Netflix. To provide you with a holistic view of the business model of Netflix, we will cover topics such as marketing and advertisements strategies, marketing mix, competitors and campaigns. Let us know further about Netflix and its strategies. About Netflix. The media and entertainment industry are the leading growth sectors of recent times, contributing billions of dollars every year. One of the main elements of this sector is the television industry. However, with the fast-paced nature of life, nowadays it has become impossible to watch one's favorite shows at a particular time. Netflix, an online streaming media service for all customers, made easy access to their favorite shows and movies on as many devices as they want. Brief history of Netflix. The history of Netflix dates back to 1997, when Reed Hastings of USA incorporated the idea, and later on in 1999, he started the movie rental business. Initially, it was a subscription-based DVD mailing service, where a customer would pay an amount for renting and videos on DVDs for a stipulated subscription period. With time, the Netflix business model transformed into an on-demand internet streaming media available to the viewers in North America, South America, parts of Asia, Europe, and Oceania. In 2012, they had over 120,000 titles for online streaming and over 23 million subscribers. Now let us start dealing with the crux of the matter. $35 billion for the quarter. These figures increased from the period in 2020, $6.15 billion in revenue and net income of $0.72 billion. The company cited 3 reasons for its financial performance for the quarter: 1. Increased membership growth due to home confinement, 2. Decline in international revenue due to sharply rising dollar, and 3. Delayed spending on content development due to the production shutdowns. Competitors' analysis of Netflix. Several different competitors threaten to take away the market share from Netflix, including Amazon, Hulu, and Disney+, as well as some of the cable channels' subscription services with it. Amazon. The biggest competitive threat to Netflix is Amazon. As of the first quarter of 2021, Prime Video had over 175 million subscribers, a number that has been growing at a fast pace as the company has increased the production of its original content. If you're an Amazon customer, you're going to benefit from the Prime membership, which offers free 2-day shipping for purchases along with the streaming subscription. The cost for this membership is $119 per year, or $12.99 if you pay monthly. The subscription costs much less if you are a student, $59 per year or $6.49 per month. If you are looking at going solo and getting the streaming service on its own, you can expect to pay $8.99 per month, the same cost as Netflix's basic plan, and less than the premium subscription. Hulu. The big news for Hulu came in May 2019 with the announcement of a deal between Comcast and Disney, which had Disney purchasing Comcast's stake in Hulu for a reported $5.8 billion. Hulu's numbers are much less than those who subscribe to Netflix and Amazon. Hulu hit 41.6 million subscribers in May 2021. Hulu offers a growing number of options and add-ons. Hulu offers 4 levels of subscription plans: Basic, Premium, Basic and Live TV, with Premium plus Live TV. Monthly prices start from as low as $5.99 monthly for Hulu and go as high as $70.99 for ad-free Hulu plus Live TV. Disney Plus. Disney Plus is an on-demand, commercial-free service that houses the entire library of Disney movies with the original Disney TV series. Included in the library are titles from Pixar and Marvel, features from the Star Wars franchise, and the options from National Geographic. Subscribers get unlimited downloads to watch wherever and whenever they choose. To succeed, we must move one step ahead of our competitors. In the case of Netflix, we have 6 reasons. Saad will tell you one by one. 6 key lessons from Netflix marketing. 1. Use multi-channel marketing to connect with people online and offline. Netflix was a delivery DVD service. Over time, the company has diversified to offer their products to people on a range of devices. Now, many smart TVs have Netflix installed. You can watch Netflix on your TV or computer, smartphone, or tablet. Netflix made efforts on several different channels to guarantee maximum audience engagement. Snapchat. Netflix paid for an interactive ad, offering Snapchat users an augmented reality experience. Word of mouth marketing. The shows became a huge hit on their own, purely by word of mouth. The takeaway. Today's consumers use more than one medium to connect with brands. By implementing a cross-channel marketing campaign, you can reach people wherever they are, engaging them on multiple touch points to nurture more interest in your products. 2. Make emails memorable and people will talk. Netflix is one of many companies that are tapping into the present-day potential of email marketing, pairing with machine learning-based systems to get more from the consumer data. The Netflix marketing strategy incorporates email to introduce new users. Netflix took a chance when were promoting its new show, The Punisher. They sent an email that looked like spam and could easily have been rejected or thrashed by many people immediately. However, once the email was opened, a GIF began to play. Suddenly, the Punisher logo flashes up on the screen, advertising to encourage people to watch the show. The takeaway. Email marketing isn't dead. However, boring, unimaginative emails may as well be sent to the graveyard for all the hype they'll create. Netflix seeks to find unique and innovative ways of leveraging this old marketing channel. Providing emails are valuable and skimmable, you can hook the attention of your prospects with little outlay. 3. Offer personalized content to keep people hooked. The reason Netflix is so dominant boils down to its obsession with personalization. This is a core component of modern marketing success in every industry today. By focusing on your customers, you can create tailor-made shopping experiences that cater for their interests, which ultimately gets more engagement. A modern marketing strategy that focuses on personalization and the customer experience will help build trust in the company, which leads to stronger customer relationships. 4. Let data show you the secrets to better customer service. The rise of marketing automation has paved the way for greater personalization as it allows companies to analyze data and react to it accordingly. Better, automation can't do this instantaneously. The takeaway. One of the best modern marketing tips from the Netflix strategy is that we need to be proactive. With better data analysis, you can understand what people are looking for, and you'll be able to provide it before the demand arises. Once it does, your product is the obvious solution. 5. Embrace machine learning to enhance the user experience. The order of the shows will be arranged based on the user activity. However, the order of the shows is not the only aspect that continues to evolve. With two groups of about 100,000 people each, one control group and one test group, Netflix can offer varied cards and see if one version truly has an impact on engagement. Machine learning is a game-changing tech that has already transformed marketing research in a big way. With a tool at the core of your modern marketing strategy, you will be able to take personalization and automation to an entirely different level. 6. Make interactive products and experiences to generate a buzz. Netflix's popular and disturbing series, Black Mirror, focuses on the warped possibilities of technology. The takeaway. Personalization helps you to connect to your audience and make them hooked to our content, and this leads to a positive outlook of the brand. Major reasons for the success of the business model of Netflix. Netflix is expanding internationally. Within 7 years, it has established its popularity in 190 countries across the world. The strength of Netflix is its original content. In 2018, Netflix released over 1,500 hours of movies, TV series and other productions. Netflix provides a variety of shows in several foreign languages, thus attracting a huge number of subscribers across the world. It has expanded from 3 languages, English, Spanish, and Portuguese, to more than 20 foreign languages. Netflix does not show any commercials during video streaming. It provides reasonable pricing. Conclusion. Customer perception towards a brand is built by the value of satisfaction that the user receives after paying for the product and the benefits the user looks for. Netflix has a large customer base. This is because of the content and the originality of the same and the reasonable price, which is affordable to every individual. Retention of customers is possible through customer satisfaction. This can be achieved through its content and pricing. However, Netflix should not ignore its competitors and should try to do activities that will retain its market share. Otherwise, the market share of Netflix may be reduced and it can be challenging to regain it. Therefore, Netflix should try to always satisfy its customers. Hope you liked this case study and found it informative. The last topic of our video is why Netflix is winning at digital marketing. Money Heist, Stranger Things, Black Mirror, House of Cards, Orange is the New Black, 13 Reasons Why. Should I go on? It doesn't take much imagination to know that Netflix is absolutely peaking in the streaming world. So much so that it is now commonly even used as a verb. They are absolute kings when it comes to original video content and also offer other external options in order to cater to different tastes. But what can a marketer glean from Netflix's marketing success? Can we try to emulate their strategy? Well, even if you are not a part of the entertainment business, there is a lot you can learn from Netflix's exemplary marketing strategies. They strategically focus on creating value for their viewers. Creating value can be interpreted in different ways. Just a quick recap, Netflix initially started out in 1997 as a DVD mail order service, but made the choice to switch over to streaming videos online instead. This happened right after Amazon and Walmart entered into the DVD rental industry, resulting in a huge drop in Netflix's viewership. Fast forward to over 2 decades later, they now have more than 183 million subscribers. This means that the switch to streaming videos online was definitely a bold but right move. Here are a few of Netflix's digital marketing strategies broken down. 1. Netflix's social media accounts are meme accounts. When Netflix's audience isn't obsessing over streaming, it turns its focus on something completely unrelated, memeing. So what does Netflix have anything to do with this? Netflix leverages this to their advantage. Here are a few examples. There are a lot of memes and jokes created on and around Netflix, which is embraced by the brand. Recently, I came across a BuzzFeed article which illustrates a few examples of the same. Really amazing to see how much momentum a post can gain by just associating with the brand Netflix. Pro tip: Netflix acknowledges funny tweets. That means if you tweet applaudable jokes or memes aimed at Netflix, which additionally promotes their content, you have a good chance of getting retweeted by their official Twitter account. 2. Netflix engages in controversial messaging. We all recognize that popularity comes with controversies, and Netflix is no stranger to backlashes and controversies. Here's one of the most controversial tweets by Netflix. This was a reference to subscribers watching the same film over and over, but questioned its privacy concerns. You may be wondering or asking yourself, how does Netflix know so much about these people? You are not alone. When questioned on this topic, Netflix apologized and assured its users it would not share their data publicly. Due to this controversy, they experienced a hyper-growth and gained over 40 million subscribers within that period, despite the price hike in subscription plans. 3. Netflix leverages social media for broader engagement. Netflix knows how to generate massive engagements from all of their various social media platforms. How? They engage their audience by creating polls and prompt engaging questions which quickly stimulate a response from its viewers. A cheeky reply from Netflix can result in 5 minutes of social media fame. This encourages fans to continue their interactions on such posts. Here are a few examples of some Twitter polls that provokes discussion and solicits feedback around their brand. 4. Netflix has a strong email marketing game. It is really frustrating having to delete a pile of boring bland newsletters and repetitive content from your mailbox each time. Netflix recognizes that pain and plays it just right. They monitor your browsing behavior and sends out specifically crafted emails based on their tracking. A few metrics used by Netflix to measure user preferences are: what time do you watch the content and on what day? Where do you watch the content? Zip code. When you pause, rewind, or fast-forward content, the device you use to watch the content, the ratings you provide to each movie series, preference of watching a single episode or an entire series at a time, and other browsing and scrolling behavior. 5. Netflix offers personalized content. Netflix offers highly personalized content to its users. I don't only mean addressing their users by their first names, but also sending out content recommendations based on the factors above. Okay, that's pretty common. Every other streaming brand does this. Then how is Netflix different from the likes of Hulu, HBO, and Amazon Prime? Personally, the most appealing part is their simplistic approach to email designs, which allows users to quickly find the call to action without getting lost in the rabbit hole of suggestions. Netflix usually prefers promoting a single TV show with a clear call to action button, helping users to cut through the clutter easily. My point here is that your audience will never get bored or get annoyed if you deliver content that they actually want. Netflix does this exceptionally. The bottom line: Netflix communicates with us like a fan, believing a brand can only achieve success with a truly authentic voice. This is unlike most of the other streaming companies, which stick to a formal tone while interacting with their customers. Understandably, in this case, marketing comes later and quality content comes first. But in that aspect, when it comes to volume of original content, Netflix blows away their competition. Now that we have an in-depth understanding of the brand's digital marketing strategies, all that's left to do is Netflix and chill. Thank you for watching the video.